Okay, let's see the statement 2. The objective. Build a program that reads two integer numbers and show the result of multiplying the last digit of one number by the last digit of the other one. So, first, you have to mark the keywords of this statement. Program, one, read is the other one, two integer numbers is the other one. So, remember, you have to define these words from the perspective of the computer programming word. Multiplying, what is multiplying? And what is the last digit? This is very easy. Now I'm going to write again these words here. Program, read, two integer numbers, show, multiplying, and last digit. Okay. Now let's define these words. If define these words is easy for you, you can say, I really understand the objective. If define these words is not easy or probably is very hard for you, you can't say you understand the objective. And if you don't understand the objective, how can you do a program that solves the problem? That is impossible. What is a program? Program is a set of instructions that computer can do to solve a problem. Okay? What is read? In the terms of the computer programming, read is receive a data from the keyboard. Okay? Two integer numbers. What is that? That is two values without decimal point and without decimals. What is show? Show is display a result in the monitor. What is multiply? Is use the multiplication operation, right? And what is last digit? Last digit is the digit is located in the right extreme of a number. Remember, an example, if the number is 492, the last digit is 2. This is very easy. Now let's see the IPO analysis. Okay, I copy and paste the objective here again, is the same. Now let's see the IPO analysis. IPO means input, process, and output. Input. What do you need to begin with the program? Look, the objective, build a program that reads two integer numbers. So you need two integer numbers. You have to write the step number 1, read two numbers. The first, or two integer numbers exactly, two integer numbers. The first one store in a variable named N1. This is the name I choose. and the second one stored in a variable named n2. Okay? But this is really a very long instruction for the computer. It's unnecessary. You only have to write read n1, n2. That means read one number and store in n1 and read other number and store in n2. Okay? Now let's see the second step. Look the objective. You need to show the result of multiplying the last digit of one number by the last digit of the other. So you have to obtain the last digit of the first number. This is the name I choose. LD1 is equal to the last digit of N1. Okay? Step number 3, LD2 is equal to the last digit of N2. Right? Step number 4, you have to multiply. So prod is equal to LD1 by LD2. And what is the output? This is the step number 5. Prod. Okay? So this is the IPO analysis. You can see it's very easy for the computer, of course. For us, probably it's not easy, but it is very important. This is easy for the computer because the computer, the machine is going to do this program. Now the call text. 2 spaces for the memory of the computer and for the monitor. In the memory, you write all the variables you use in this program. That means N1, in this example, N2, LD1, LD2, and prod. Look, step number 1, read 2 numbers. The first for N1 and the second for N2. Suppose you read, or the computer read, 34 and 23. So 34 is here and 23 is here. 34 is in N1 and 23 is in N2. Now, step number 2. LD1 is equal to the last digit of N1. So LD1 is 4, right? Then, step number 3. LD2 is equal to the last digit of N2. N2 stores 23, and the last digit of 23 is 3. Step number 4. Prod is equal to LD1 by LD2. LD1 is 4. LD2 is 3. 4 by 3 is 12. And the output is prod. So number 12 is going to the monitor. Now, let's see again the objective. The objective is build a program that reads 2 integer numbers and show the result of multiplying the last digit of one number by the last digit of the other. Now let's see only the monitor. Don't see the RAM. No, only the monitor. You receive one number and other number. And you show the number 12 is the result of multiplying this 4 by this 3, or exactly the last digit of the first number by the last digit of the second number. I ask you, did you solve the problem? Did you reach the objective? The answer is yes.